That's strange. Okay. That's funny. Hold on, sorry, I'm trying to get used to my scene switcher, which is weird. I'll just... Oh, okay, I got it. I had scene switcher on OBS Classic running. I should remove these. Okay, that should work now. So now I can switch monitors, so that's nice. Now I just need to advertise my stream. Is it on? Yep. Okay. Yeah, I can turn this off because it's gonna lag. I could change this song. Hold on. I have my okay. I need to update this playlist. I'm kind of behind. Okay. Okay, it's doing it again. That's nice. Oh, don't switch to. Okay. I'm stupid. Okay, so that's 1. Monitor 2. Okay, I can try to remember that. I gotta label my monitors because I'm gonna forget about that. Okay, so you can't see what I'm doing, but if I switch, I'm advertising my stream right now. Hopefully it's switched. I'm not sure. I'm not looking at it right now. I need a third monitor to look at my OBS so I know what I'm doing. But I don't have the money because I need so much stuff. I need a desk, I need a wall mount, I need USB lights, and I need a graphics card. It's just so much. And I've already... And yeah, I need a new desk too. I mean... Yeah, I mean, I got my setup's alright, but it's like I want to improve it. I'm gonna have to get a job, you know. Okay, hold on, let me just do a quick few advertisements real quick. Hopefully you can't see it. It's a little laggy, so should take a bit. Come on, go faster, please. That'd be nice. Just give me a minute. Aww, this chat removed the advertisement sling. That's nice. Wait, did I? Oh, okay, I'm stupid. I was like, where did it go? This chat has it. I've already done it. Okay, I'm just gonna advertise it everywhere and totally get banned, you know. Honestly, I'm not doing too much right now. I'm just waiting until someone responds to my Unity Unity answer question thing. The Unity answers, if you guys know what that is, it's kind of like a forum page, but it's not forums at all. It's just for, like, if you're stuck on something, if you have experienced an error or something. So basically get your answers there. Nothing too special. I might move on. Okay, I'm gonna close out of this so I won't be in chat. I'm too lazy to get my laptop out. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to fix my... Ooh, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. Okay, so I'm trying to fix my the alpha boost here. It's working for the first one, but not for the rest, which of course is expected. Oh, it's working for this one too, and a few others. This is because if I go back to here, dang it, I wish I had. This is my reminder to please work on, because I'm just dealing with a bunch of errors, which I'm almost done with it. It's taking me a while. I'm slow. It's a rebirth system, yeah. So I had a bunch of variables that would increase by this bonus here, but it only happens when this only when if you reset here. So I'm just gonna make sure the scene is switching. Okay, so I'm gonna Alt tab out of this. Okay, so I'm gonna press Alt 2. Okay, it's switching. I was just making sure. I wasn't sure. If it isn't, then hopefully it is. Or hopefully you can understand what I'm trying to say here, and at least you're seeing one of the screens. Oh shit, my dog's barking. Okay. So yeah, I just had a bunch of those and it was just messed up. I had to kind of reorganize everything. So I'm gonna copy so now I made this. So basically the tick value, which is for the first upgrade, let's say it was 5, the basic tick value, of course that will increase, but the tick value will increase by 5, or what am I saying? Okay, so the base tick value is 5, as you see here, but the tick value also equals the base tick value. So now, why this is gonna be all messed up in the future, which I'm gonna have to fix again later, because this is the base tick value. I'm gonna have to make a base tick value, which will never change. But yeah, that's just the hard part about this game. So tick value equals, let's say, our normal tick value right here, base tick value here, times alpha bonus. Actually, this won't be changed. Never mind. I'm stupid. But the tick value will equal this. So let's say the tick value is times 0.01. So it would become like no, plus 1. It would become like 16,000, something like that. Something really small, or not. I mean, not really small, but just increased by a little bit. This tick value will be that. But so every time we upgrade it, it will be so it will add to the count right here. And what this does, it does where is it? I'm trying to find it. I forgot where it was, but it usually multiplies the count. Okay, I'm gonna skip this song. Hold on. So it basically just multiplies the tick value that's been changed up there by the count. It's somewhere in here, I just can't find it. Now I'm too lazy to find it too. Okay, so I'm gonna continue what I was doing, which I'm just gonna copy and paste this. I gotta do this for all my scripts. Oh. Honestly, someone needs to make this app where you can see the YouTube chat. This YouTube stream chat, I should make something like that, where it's actually, I can see it. Put it in the corner of my screen, that'll be fine. I bet you guys $1 billion I'll forget that I have the scene switcher when I record videos. I'm just gonna totally forget about it. Hopefully when I disconnect my monitor, it won't mess up my setup as well. Shut up, God. There's no one home and my dog's barking. I'm too loud or something. Okay. Now if we save, make sure everything is saved, come back to monitor 1. If you guys can see it, just make sure. Just make sure. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I don't know, I'm getting a bunch of these random reference errors. Or every time I'm playing the game and changing something, it just brings me back. It's annoying. So now if we play, we should see everything change. So we have our multiplier right here, which is good. That finally worked. Click idle. We should see everything changed. What's wrong with this one? Let's see, which one is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's 7. Maybe I didn't open it yet. Let's check. Maybe it did change and I'm just retarded. No, it did not. Okay, I didn't get to this one yet. That's why. I am retarded. Sorry for if anyone's there. Sorry for the lack tutorials. I have been busy with hockey. I had tryouts. I had the championships or playoffs, and it's been a busy ass week. And plus, first week of school, of course, it's always great. You know, I already have an essay to do. Not really an essay, but we got to rewrite a short story, which is retarded. It was literally the third day of school and we had to do that. It's like, come on, give us a break, you know? Just came back from summer, you're just gonna throw homework at us. It's always great. I'm loving my classes though. I'm taking AP Computer Science, which is nice. Let's see, does this work now? Okay, yeah, that works. That's a lot better. Hopefully I got all of it, I'm just not blind or something. But I'm pretty sure I did. So now I'm just going to change these variables just to make sure it still adds on and works, because I'm still doing tests and all that. I try to do as much tests as possible. And this is how you cheat. Yes. Okay, so now it's 7. That's accurate. 7. Yeah, sweet. Okay, that works. That's nice. Now, the thing I need to work on next is these upgrades. Oh my god. Okay, put back. He keeps barking. The dog that's not barking has a bark collar. It's not on right now, but she's not even barking, which is lovely. But that's the dog we need a bark collar, because whenever she goes outside and sees like a squirrel or something, or other people, or hears something, she would always bark. But on the other hand, our other dog always barks at like at like nothing. The one that's barking right now, it's like bark. That's all you would hear. And then hold on, okay. What was I gonna say? I lost what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, so the dog that barks at just nothing. We don't even have a bark collar for her, and it would be helpful, but it's like I would feel so bad giving her a bark collar because she's older, and it seems like the bark collar. I mean, I'm not sure if it shocks or if it's just a beep or something. Because my other dog, when she barks with the bark collar, she always just freaks out because of the sound, I believe. I'm not sure. But if it was a shock, I would feel so bad for of course, for my other dog. It's smaller. She's smaller, and she doesn't have the bark collars. Like, I would kind of feel bad. Okay, so this is working. I can remove the debugs now. So I'm just gonna simply find them. Next, I need to work on these upgrades. These stupid motherfuckers. They've been hell for me. Okay, I think I'm still keeping some of these. I mean, just in case it doesn't work, though. I mean, I always have a backup with me. But my backup's on my other computer. Of course, I made a little bit progress fixing these bugs. I mean, I'm just gonna keep them from now. It makes my code look messy. I might delete this. I think I fixed the problem. It's just the upgrades and the scripts loading. The script loadings aren't working. So let me just check the answers. If you guys have an answer, you guys can go check it out. Just search up scripts. Well, load script on GameStart, and then you should find it. And it's gonna take me to the home page. Okay, thanks. That's how you know if it signed out. Yeah, nothing happened. The thing is, I'm not sure if this is against the rules, but I want to reply to my own so it can boost it up. Apparently that worked. But I don't want to do it again. Yeah, so you guys yeah, so I just replied to this guy's answer, saying that it didn't work. And it boosted up. I just want to write up or something. I don't know if you can do that or something. Well, I don't have an account. If I just say up. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much what I'm trying to do here. No, I mean, I'm trying to fix this problem. I'll show you the problem here. On here. So if I press play, obviously, you gotta see if I click this button once. Okay, script finally loaded. See how the script loads? See, look at the click upgrade. Just watch right here. You can see that there's a sudden change, right? This is annoying because, let me turn this thing back on that I tried to do. It's error message. Basically, this is to fix the alpha upgrade bugs that I'm getting because you can't access it right away. I might make it so you can, just for the sakes of it. I mean, but if you press yes first time launch, it fixes all the zeros that when this is your very first time launching, you get a bunch of zeros for some reason because there is nothing to load from. I don't know why. I'm still fixing that, even though it's obviously in my code. Okay, I'm trying to switch scenes here, but I'm not. But actually, I can just hover over this. For some reason, when I load this for the very first time, it just completely ignores this base cost and this void start. I don't know why. It's doing something funny. But so you see here, base cost equals 200, cost equals base cost. I'm not sure if it's something to do with this, but after it loads, first time load, cost would normally start with equals 0. So it would just load and completely overlap 200 to 0. So that's why it does it. That's why when you press yes, it completely fixes that. Now, of course, I need to find a better fix for this, but I mean, my own suggestion was to move cost equals base cost after that. But after it loads, this would go from 0 back to 200. But let's say we have progress here. Now, I might just do like some kind of load counter or something. I'm not sure. I'm still trying to figure this out, but let's just say no. Let's get some stuff here. That's not right. This is... okay. It's supposed to be 9. Okay. I'm telling you, the bugs galore here. Am I getting 7 per second? Yeah, that's working. Okay, so let me just full restart this. This is being messy. Let me get a few of these. Where we have 6 per, what? Oh, yeah, 6 per click. Okay. We have 6 per click. We press no. Oh, okay, yeah, that's working. What? Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. The script doesn't, if you don't load the script before full restarting, of course, it's just gonna keep the progress. That's just an annoying thing. I want the script to load right as soon as I press play. Let's see, we have 6 per click still? Yeah, okay. See, it's like, look, if I don't open the script, press full restart. Oh. What the hell? See, it's just really weird. It does it sometimes, but sometimes. Like, it just did, but then it didn't. It's just really weird. You just gotta get lucky, I guess. So let's just get some upgrades real quick. And close out of it. Now, obviously, I can't show you the bug because I would have to delete all the data on this computer. Like, of this app data in order to actually show you. Or show it on a new computer, but I don't want to do that. So you would just click yes. And now, see, that resets everything, so that's why you want to be cautious and read it. Now, that won't be my fault if someone loses their progress. And yeah, see, it just resets. So that fixes that bug. Now, obviously, the layout looks a lot better than before. I'm still working on it, though. I'm gonna have to move the alpha upgrades. Once I make new planets, I'll have to make a planet section, like a universe map. I'll show you something real quick. I'll show you a secret preview for whoever's watching. Let's see. Now if I changed it there, see as I changed the value there, of course it's not going to do anything, it's so small. But if I put like, let's see, 100 maybe, it should change. Yeah, see, it doubles it right there. But if I changed it back to 1, you can see all these valuables change. Except you'll see this one, because it's so small, like you'll actually get a dead lucky amount to actually see that small change. So same with these ones. Yeah, see how much just one can make a small change. Of course, if I put that many, that's where I need to work on. I need to get rid of this infinity, because my max is like, yeah, see how it does that? If I were to it ignores some valuables, some statements. It's weird. Unless my F is my max. Yeah, I need to add a G. But yeah, I'm still working on this system. I can't find any other solution to fix that. But I'm not gonna worry about that till the end, when the game actually gets a lot bigger. But yeah, anyways, back to the main point. Yeah, that's just glitched. Full restart. Okay. Let's see. What do I need to do next? Oh yeah, I was gonna show you. See, I need 1 in order to access this, which I should make a hover thing, where or actually it says like, okay, you need 1 in order to access this. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the map. I know this thing is weird and ugly. I'm working on it. Bear with me. But yeah. This is pretty much what it'll look like. I'm gonna make like a same thing for the planets, but of course I don't want to get to that yet. Once I get all the bugs, all the loading things done, all these upgrades, because I also need to remove this upgrade, fix these upgrades. Half of them don't even work. Let's try this one actually. Yeah, it doesn't work. I removed it because it was broken. But if I spend it all, it will actually not let me go back in. It's kind of funny. And let's try this. I don't remember if this works yet. Yeah, in order to access these menus, in order for them to start, you gotta actually click on them. I think I just still disabled the alpha one because it's broken. The save load mechanism is still broken. Like whenever I buy it, it doesn't start. And the funny thing is that if I'm on the research tab, the alpha one won't work. And I need to make it so it loads while I'm not on it. And I still need to work on an offline system, which is one of the things that I'm kind of scared to touch. Make sure these upgrades are still working. Okay. It's being buggy. I think I gotta restart. Yeah. When you edit a script, you need to edit it. No. Okay. Now I need to fix these upgrades. Let's give me one alpha. Yeah, what's good is that these work, actually. So, I need to fix the generators, because I'm stupid, I don't know how to do some things. And I'd rather do it on live, because I usually fix things on live, because it's public humiliation. So yeah, this is a preview of what it looks like. I'm actually gonna hide this message. Of course, I need to make another counter so it only shows it if you have progress, or if it's actually your first time loading. If we go to our second monitor, we actually have a reset amount here. I should actually do something with that in the future. No idea what I'm gonna do. Hopefully you actually saw that. I'm still not sure if it's switched or not. Now I gotta keep my, sorry if it sounds really loud, I gotta keep my ears on in case my parents get home. I'm supposed to do chores before they get home, or at least when I get up. They don't know I'm up. So I'm just gonna ignore the text messages they send. It's always the easy solution. What? The good thing is I don't have parental controls, which is great about building a new computer. I mean, I never had it, but never had, probably never will, never need it. I'm like one of the most trusted people. No, I'm just kidding, lol. Okay, what am I working on? What am I working on? I don't know what monitor I'm on. I'm all over the place. I'm hopefully gonna make a tutorial either tomorrow or Tuesday, since I don't have anything going on except school. I mean, school ends earlier, which is nice. But again, it's like I gotta work on my game. I got YouTube. I got, you know, chores to do to get money to improve my setup. There's just so much to do. There's not enough time during the day. And that's what sucks about school. It's gonna interrupt a lot of stuff. I was stressed in the middle of the year because I couldn't work on the things I wanted to actually do. Let's see. I think it's my script folder is a mess. Okay, I didn't skip here. Yeah, see, it's just all over the place. I need to completely, like, remove all the folders and completely organize it again because it's all over the place. I need to make a tutorial, too. Like, one of those prompt things where it's like, oh, click here, you know, yada yada, something like that. What is it? I can't remember all the script name. Okay. I don't want. Oh, generators. I'm stupid. It's the alpha gen button and menu. I'm gonna. Do I need this? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna. Let's see. I'm thinking. That's why, because it's. I need to make it so it hides it, or maybe moves it to a different position where you can't see it. It's just that it doesn't make it active anymore. So that's something I need to fix badly right here. How will I do this? Please fix lol. It's a good way to actually give me motivation to fix this, because normally I wouldn't. Okay, so now I got motivation. I'll fix it another time. Or that's something I'll work on after I get this to work. Okay, so now if we... I'll have to watch this later, just in case you actually can see me scene switching. Let's see. Okay. Let's check, make sure that. Okay, we can just view it from here, just see if it's doing anything. Okay. You can obviously see that switching. Okay, let's see. Now we just gotta look at. Maybe it's this. That's not working. Okay, so now it should add. But if I look at here, it should pause. Ready? See, it paused it. Okay, what is it adding to? It's. I'm not seeing what it's not adding to. Okay, I might have to increase the speed just temporarily. I'll have to make it 100 or something. Because I obviously need to find out what the problem is. So the main problem is that it's already purchased, it stayed purchased, but it's not loading. But when I go to the I need to find it again. Excuse me. Oh, Alpha Accelerator, I'm blind. Why is it there? Okay. Okay. Hoping it switched. Okay, so basically it's adding alpha per rebirth. This right here. Every time it goes around. Now, it wasn't doing that. Let's try it again. But when I load, see that it's obviously not loading. If I click this, it should load. Yeah, see, there you go. It finally loaded because you gotta load the script apparently when you click the button. See what I mean here? It's really annoying. It should just start automatically instead of having to click this button in order for the script to load. But yeah, it's not doing anything apparently. Oh, did I not switch? Damn it. I'll have to show you again. Okay, so see how it's not starting right here? Even though I'm on the alpha tab right here. I gotta actually click this upgrade button for it to trigger, for it to start the actual script of this upgrade button. Because when you open it, it already tells the alpha accelerator right here that it's true, but automatically it starts as false, which is I really want to figure this out. It's gonna be an annoying process. I don't want to have to make some kind of automated system where it clicks the button, it clicks out of it, does all of that stuff. Like I don't know if that's even possible, but I don't want to have to do something where it's complicated. I just want it to load the script on load. It shouldn't be too hard, right? I mean, if we go to the upgrades, the top menu, I try to be as organized as possible. Okay, so if we click on the alpha button, when the alpha upgrades button is clicked, it's gotta be something to do with the set active. How do we make it invisible? I don't know. It's gotta be something to do with this. Yeah, no, I'm forgetting to scene switch. Okay, so let's try. First of all, I gotta figure out the problem where it's not adding to it. So let's actually do that real quick. And it does equal. Let me find it again. Yeah, it's supposed to be adding 1 per round, but it's not for some reason, which is kind of odd. Maybe if we look at our stats or something. That's strange. Okay, that's not cool. Okay, it's something to do with this, maybe. Again, let's do another full restart. Yeah, see, I gotta go back into here. Okay. It's just a weird bug. But if I full restart, it doesn't restart. Okay, so now this is finally 0. But see how it didn't see how it didn't just toggle? It's because some of the variables aren't even working. Like, the save and load thing is just broken. Player prefs is shit, to be honest. But there is no other save method other than that. I do want to figure out how people do how game devs do that method where you copy and paste a code, it saves that specific, like let's say I have a 10-digit number, Every user has their own 10-digit number, and it saves to that 10-digit number, and you can actually export it to other devices. That's something I want to do. But first of all, I gotta work on offline progress and all that. But that's something I don't want to get to because I'm pretty sure it has to require some kind of time API or something like that. But I don't want to get into that. Maybe I can actually hold on. I just thought of something. Let's take. I'm not sure which I'm on, but let's load this. Let's take the update. Let's actually do debug. Oh. Debug.log. We're actually gonna do delta.time if we can do that. Unless we have to make a variable. Do we seriously have to? That sucks. I think it's a public float, maybe? Time. Let's try that. Time equals delta. Wait, what? Seriously? Am I not just doing it right? Time.delta time. Okay. Maybe if we actually try. I don't. That work? No? Okay. Incorrect syntax. Something like that. Oh, there we go. I was like, that wasn't right. Okay, let's switch back to this one. Okay, that's our delta time. What is it doing? Is it a... It doesn't look like it's being very productive. Tim. Honestly, I don't know how to get this offline progress thing. Well, I shouldn't even try. Okay, there's an error. Great. Maybe that's got something to do with it. Yeah, I spelled something wrong. It's not saving. Okay, you know it is. Yeah, I know. It just looks like some kind of random number generator to me. Not quite sure. I'm gonna let that load for a bit, or let it go for a bit, see if it makes any progress. Nah, I'm actually not. I'll just delete this. Okay, anyways, back on topic. We need to fix this. Maybe I could just change the opacity. How to... Jesus. How to make a Gmod map very easy. Like, I don't want to do the set active. Let's see if there's any other solution. Yes. No, I don't want that. Oh. Okay. Let's try that. We need to test it on something. Let's just minimize this. Minimize it. minimalize. What am I saying? Unless I did that say right, I don't know. Okay, so it looks like, yeah, it looks like it's going up a little bit. The highest value it's gotten to is 0.045 that I see, but it's still getting those low numbers, like the 0.016. Okay, let's see, what am I gonna do? I should probably check on the chat. Okay. Aw, am I seriously getting that error? Let's just see what my game says. Oh, duh. Maybe not. Oh. Okay. So that was basically being pulled from old asset. Let's just do a save real quick before I forget. Let's try. Okay, let's just give it a try. Is the menu still active? Don't know. Okay, let's change this to true. Let's give it a nice save. Well, there is no renderer tag. Okay. Oh, canvas renderer? Yeah, I already have a canvas renderer. What are you talking about? All of them have it. Oh. Ah, I see. Yeah. Game objects don't have them. That's maybe the whole problem that I've been experiencing this entire time. Let's try it. So now it's true. Okay. Do I just have to attach? Okay. Please don't tell me this is the actual problem. No. Okay, so that's the problem I hate about Git components. They're actually retarded. Yeah, there is one. See? Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. It's not that we need a canvas renderer. Actually, I'm doing this in the wrong script. Let's just make sure.
Birthday Bartzo said voice or I testicle tackle you.
Ignore that.
Ricky Boom said I'm streaming UFO. Ricky Boom said go die FO. Birthday Bartzo said get on voice or I testicle tickle you.
Okay, that should work now. Okay, so if I minimize this, Alt 1.
Birthday Bartzo said only mod if voice.
Oh. Okay, let's just join. I am streaming.
It's like as one viewer.
Can you hear
How
me?
many viewers do you have?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not even looking at it, so I don't know.
Well, you should stop streaming and play Gary's Coon.
No, you should die.
Wait, why don't you want to do anything?
Because I'd rather be productive than play video games.
You're making a video game.
Yeah. I'm not playing it though.
Just seriously, why don't you work on it when no one's on? Like, no one's gonna be on it all today.
Why?
I don't know.
It's Sunday.
Everyone's at Bungle Machine Museum. Can you do it when I'm gone?
Okay.
It's gonna be productive and do work. Just working on a video game is very productive.
He's gonna be mighty mad because I left. Okay, jeez Christ, why is my computer laggy? Wait till he spams my Steam. Just be aware he's gonna spam it. Why is this not working? What did I do here? Did I just do this to the wrong? Yeah, I've been doing. Oh my god, please don't say I've been doing this to the wrong script. I bet you $1 billion that's the reason why it's not working. Let's go to that menu real quick though.
I'm storming on the corner, about to catch the last rainbow. I love to swim the barrier. So can you spare a penny for my thoughts? I've been. I'm storming on the corner.
Okay, that's this menu. Okay, yeah, it's still the same thing. Okay, I guess that doesn't matter. Okay, now you just need to find the actual script. Because I clicked on the wrong one, apparently. This one. No, I don't want to join this. I keep forgetting to switch, so I don't know if I switched or not. Let's make this true. Okay, let's do this. Am I getting another error? Okay. I think it's also this too. It's other scripts that are not working. So let's just give myself an alpha. I need to unlock this for now. Okay, yeah, it just loaded, so that's apparently, yeah. It's obviously this. I'm not missing a renderer. Yeah, it's obviously this. Yeah, see? I'm just gonna go offline. Well, I said 8 o'clock. It gets triggered. Yeah, there's just a lot I have to do here. What am I doing? What did I just do there? I don't know what to do. Oh. Well. Okay, so apparently I guess this is not the solution. I don't... One renderer on your object at the top level. Does opacity work? I might just have to do that. Okay, let's try the opacity then. Yeah, I don't like the forms here. Yeah, otherwise I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna have to wait till someone actually responds. I wanna actually try to fix it though. Mesh renderer, that's not what I don't want. I don't want that though. Maybe I can just do game object or something like that. Let's just give this a try. I don't know, this is probably not gonna work. Oh yeah. What? Yeah, what the fudge? And I need to create a material. Boy, I want to make a... Okay, there you go. Why do I have this song in here? I'm not supposed to have that in the live stream. That's probably why I got a bunch of copyright claims. Okay, yeah, but I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Pretty sure I haven't gotten... Someone hasn't answered me yet. No. I'm gonna have to ignore it. Okay, but yeah, I don't know what to do here. It's just gonna give me this dumb error, so. That's probably why it's false, though. But I'm making it double false, right? Let me try this. Instead of clicking it twice, like he usually does. No, she didn't make me only click it once. Nope, let's make it click it twice again. Darn. Once I click it, it makes it active, and then it loads. So yeah, that's annoying. So that's just something I guess I'm not gonna mess with for now. Now I need to figure out why the generator isn't working. Okay. It's supposed to add 1 to this right here, but apparently it doesn't. For some strange reason. don't know what I canceled out here, but... Maybe it's because of this right here. Ah. No, well, I'm talking about the loading thing. Okay, so that's what time is for. Oh, that's what that is. Okay, that makes more sense. I thought time was like the actual time. Okay, that makes a little more sense now. That's why. It never really gets to this, which I don't know why in the world I would actually ever put that there. That's retarded of me. Don't know why I put that there, but that's the reason why it's not working, because it never gets called. It basically just gets avoided. I have to restart it. Okay. I'm just gonna make it so that this just equals 1. Well, it does, but it's... Let me make sure it still gets to the point. Let's put out a few debug logs, just so we know it actually is getting to it. We also need one more. We also need debug log just added. Okay. Let's see if it does something. Added, 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 added. Yeah, it's just constantly saying 1. Even though there's 0. Maybe I changed something. Let's see. Something. Maybe I changed something. That could be why. I'm probably blind, but I don't see it. Oh. I need to see it screw up more because I have a few folders. That's why, because this is always getting changed. Let's see. Okay, see, that's just, I messed this all up. Now I gotta make a new variable, which I need to make just something simple. I don't think I spelled that right, did I? I don't know. Ah, that means I gotta make more variables to save. Great. This is the fun part. Not really. I need to start making them so there's no space, so it's easy to change. instead of having to highlight, I can easily just double click this just to change it instead of having to, you know, do it individually, if you know what I mean. So now I gotta highlight it, so I can just easily copy and paste it like that. First, we need to make sure this works too, before I actually add it to the reset and the rebirth system. So instead, it will add to the gen amount, which should work because once that happens, if I'm on FN, if you guys haven't, hopefully I switched. I'm also gonna have okay, that should work. Really complicated for some reason. It's just complicated. Let's make sure it still wants to load. Okay, so we see here it's adding to the, but it's not updating. This is obviously broken here. So let's see what we got here. Yeah. Okay, so we got some here. It's working. But it's not showing. Maybe this way. Okay. That's just weird. Let's give this a try. Yeah, so see how it says here, it's added successfully. So, but it's not adding to the text for some reason. That's just strange. Let's try getting out of it. Okay, so that doesn't save. Sorry. Let's see. Yeah, see, I'm saying it's just not working. It doesn't save. Okay, see, gen amount right here. Now if we close out of it, go back into it. Okay. Oh. So it should be 417. So we got it. Okay. It loads after. It's just strange though. Maybe. Okay. So now, okay, so now we know it loads. That was just a little bit strange how I had to hover over it before actually getting to it. So let it add some. Get out of it. Okay. Yeah, it should just say, it should be updating all the time. Maybe it's not updating here. This isn't gonna work either. Just realized. Looking at it. I can't figure this out. I don't know what it is, but I just can't figure this out. Is it never getting to this or something? Okay, well, this is gonna be something I'm gonna have to work on in the future. Just a basic reminder. Of course, I'll probably forget because I have millions of scripts, and no, not really, but okay. Now what can I work on? The upgrades, that's something I need to work on. This, I don't know if it works, so let's actually see. Okay, there's no reference. Yeah, I keep getting these no reference serialized object, and it's pissing me off. It's super annoying. It's long as warning, no reference, error, whatever they're called, and it's just really annoying. Yeah, it's just buggy. It only opens on specific clicks. Like if you click the menu, then you gotta go back into the menu for it to work. It's annoying. And I'm still not understanding why it's not just updating this right here. It's a pet peeve. And I keep getting this error too. Yeah, I really don't know. That's just gonna be one of my concerns. Like, I don't know how people I don't know how people do this, you know. Let's see. Yeah, the upgrades, that's right. Okay. I'm still not sure whether if this works or not. Well, I guess it's time to find out. Okay, let me just... Now, why did I close that? I kinda need that. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, it's gonna have to. That's. I don't know if I'm. Okay, sorry if I'm not scene switching. You guys are seeing absolutely nothing. Shit, they're long. Shit. Okay, gotta go.